Today we're going to learn about Christian, a little boy who lives in Austria. He's 7 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world is sliding down the slide. To slide down a slide, the first thing you have to do is climb all the way up. Then, if you're very careful, you can slide down the ramp. Now it's your turn to slide down the slide. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
Now what do we do?
I think the teacher said that first we have to climb all the way up, but it's very high.
Slide! Slide! Let's climb this mountain! Mountain!
Oh, I can't watch.
Quickly! Why?
I think the teacher said we have to be very careful.
You're not doing it right.
I can't watch.
You have to climb up slowly. Oof.
I have an idea. You're going to make it, Ho-Ho. Keep going.
Okay.
Oof, slides are too hard.
How can we get to the top?
Use the ladder!
Yeah, you have to climb the ladder.
Gosh, you're too high. Be careful, Ha-Ha.
Ahoy! What's the weather up there? Is it raining? Is it snowing? No, it's sunny. Just like down there. Watch me!
Oh, I can't watch.
Here I come! It's really fun! You've got to try!
I don't know if...
It's our turn! Come on, Hoo-Hoo! Super cool!
It's your turn, Hehe.
No. You first.
Okay. Wow. Ha ha ha! That was fun.
Oh, wasn't it? It's like flying! Slide! Let's do it again!
But Hehe hasn't gone yet.
It's that, I don't feel like it.
If you don't want to, you don't have to, Hehe. But if you change your mind, I can wait for you here so that nothing will happen to you.
Really?
Of course! We can all wait for you, Hehe.
Come on, Hehe.
Oh.
You can do it! Ready?
Here I go!
down the slide.
Congratulations!
Hi, Momonsters!
Hi!
Today we're going to learn about Callum, a little boy who lives in New Zealand. He's 6 years old and his favourite thing in the whole world are pirates. This is what pirates look like. Wooden leg, hook for a hand, patch over one eye, hat, sword, spyglass, parrot, pirate flag. But the best thing about pirates is they always have great adventures while hiding or looking for treasure. Now it's your turn to play at being pirates. And as usual, your friends will help you from home.
Yes, we'll help you!
What's inside?
Wow! It's full of stuff!
Pirate stuff.
Pirates! And what do we do with it? Dress up as pirates! Pirates! Are you ready, my cover boys? Aye, Captain! Super cool!
Oh,
What do we do now?
I think the teacher said that pirates always have great adventures while hiding or looking for treasure.
Our adventure will be to hide our pirate treasure!
What treasure, hee hee? I don't see it.
We don't have a treasure! What could be our treasure? The chest! Yeah, put things you like in the chest. Each one of us can put something in the chest! Yeah! Let's go find something!
Arr! By Neptune's whiskers.
I'm putting an apple in the chest. It's my favourite food. What about you, Hey Hey?
My favorite story.
And you, Hoo Hoo? For wave a wick ball. Your turn, Ha Ha. My favourite cushion.
Arr! Shivery timbers.
What is that, Ho Ho?
I'm not sure. favorite thing?
Let's find somewhere to hide our treasure!
Arr! Thunder and lightning!
It's cold in here.
Arr! Hoist anchor!
Too high.
Arr! By the seven seas! Too dark. Arr! Freshwater sailor!
I couldn't find anywhere to hide our treasure.
Me neither.
Me neither.
What about you, Ho-Ho?
I didn't see anywhere.
Where is our treasure? It's gone.
Nope, I don't see it.
Where could our treasure be?
We did? Hidden? Where? To where? Great, Hoo-Hoo! You found the perfect hiding place for our treasure! Treasure!
Nice going! Great job! You did it! You played at being pirate.